Welcome to Mike's Tech Tips. I'm Mike Everhart, AMP-IA, and the 2022 National Aviation Maintenance Technician of the Year. This presentation continues the pre-flight after maintenance series with the landing gear. Lastly, let's take a look at the landing gear. Walk around to each of the landing gear. Look at the gear itself, the brake pads, the brake calipers, and the attach bolts. Some bolts are safety wired and others are not. Check the tire for proper wear and inflation. It's a good idea to have a tire gauge in the aircraft to keep on hand. If there are no wheel fairings installed, check for the cotter pin installed in the axle nut. If you find any discrepancies during your walk around, let your AMP know before you fly. Remember, your safety comes first. This concludes pre-flight after maintenance. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. I would like to send a special thanks to Mountain Flyers Flying Club in Asheville, North Carolina, for allowing me the use of their club aircraft. I'm Mike Everhart, and this has been Mike's Tech Tips.